Want to ride the biggest money wave of the decade? If you're not thinking about the EV industry, you're missing out. Here are 5 red hot business ideas that could put you in the driver's seat of the electric revolution. First up, EV charging stations. Charging stations are the new oil wells. Start a charging hub and fuel the future, literally. Next up, what if I told you waste could make you wealthy? Recycling EV batteries is the green gold rush you have been waiting for. EV maintenance and repair. With EVs, it's not just maintenance, it's a specialized service that is high in demand. Be the go-to expert in this area. Coming to EV fleet management. Companies are desperate for efficient fleet management. Help them switch to EVs and cash in on this booming market. Then there is EV accessories and customization. Why blend in when you can stand out? The market for EV customization is exploding. Offer unique accessories and watch your business take off. Which idea could make you the next big thing? Tell us in the comments and follow us for more.